We are dream girls, boo. We'll make you happy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to play that song. Period. Run that track. I'm trying to have a hot girl summer. And I'm looking like Diana, like sis. Get it together. Whoa, little sexy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be reviewing this unit and showing you guys how I installed it. So first things first, I want to say thank you to ebonyline for being kind enough to send me this unit to review. I will definitely have everything linked down below for you guys. So yeah, before we get started, make sure if you have not yet, you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you do end up enjoying it, if it's helpful, or if you learn anything. I'm still like trying to figure out how to get this to how I like it. But anyway, this unit is called Boss Lady, and this is a lace front wig by Sensational. So I got this unit in the color F1B/30, so it's just like the natural dark brown color, and then it has these brown highlights throughout. It does have a tiny bit of lace on the front, and then it also has a lace parting, so it's not like a frontal. It just has like a little lace in the front and then lace on the parting. So one thing that I did like about the lace is that it seemed to be like a more warm brown color as opposed to like a super ashy one, because I know sometimes with synthetic hair the lace will like be completely off, and although this one didn't match my skin exactly, it definitely was much closer to my skin tone than normal. So that was definitely a good thing. Front of the hairline is definitely super dense. It does not look natural at all. The part is super dense. It's just like super full. And if you want to wear this unit with no hair out in the front, you're definitely going to have to go in and pluck the hairline and the parting. Probably touch it up with some foundation or concealer because it's just super dense. Unless you're into that type of thing, then go for it, wear it straight out of the pack. But the hairline is dense. It's like, it does not look good. Another thing that I noticed about this unit is that it does not seem to be big head friendly. I have a slightly smaller head, I'd like to think, because a lot of times some wigs are just big on my head, but this one is super secure, and I barely had any room to like pull it forward. It kept like scooting behind my hairline anyway. So just a heads up, I personally don't think this is a big head friendly unit, but feel free to try it out, you know, if you want. So the fact that it's not big head friendly is also kind of a good thing in a sense for me, because the lace laid really flush to my forehead or to my hairline or whatever. So it kind of gave me the effect of an elastic band in like a human hair unit. As far as the construction of the cap, there are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. I did not use any combs, but I did go ahead and adjust the straps to my liking, so that probably also helped with how snug this unit was to the front of my head. So yeah, as far as installation, all I did was I went ahead and cut the lace from the unit, and then at first I initially tried to like pull some hair out in the front and then kind of adhere the unit to the part behind the hair that I left out, and I used some Gorilla Snap, and I tried to do that and then like blend my edges right into the unit, but I was kind of struggling because every time I would try to blend my hair into the unit, the lace would just lift right up. So it's like the Gorilla Snap did not stick it down. Maybe I didn't use enough, maybe I didn't wait long enough for it to dry, I don't know, but the lace kept lifting up when I was trying to then blend my hair into the unit. So I just went ahead and tucked all of the hair that I originally pulled out. I tucked it back under the wig. Then I just did my baby hairs as normal. And then I went back in and pulled a little bit of the front of the unit out, made baby hairs, and then blended those baby hairs into mine. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful. When the curls first came, it looked like blow dried hair with like Shirley Temple curls in it. Not going for that look, so I did go ahead and fluff them out with my hands, and then I think I did go through with a small tooth comb and just kind of fluff out any pieces that might have looked straight or anything like that. So instead of using the part, I just went ahead and like flipped some more hair over it because I didn't feel like defining it and plucking it and doing all that. So I took the easy route and just did like a flip over look. That's how I got this. This hair is very much so giving me dream girls vibes. We are dream girls, boys, we'll make you happy. Yeah, 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 we are dream girls, boys, you'll always, or is it will always? We'll always care. This hair is very much so giving me like a throwback vibe. I think it's the way that they curled it. Like, it's just straight right here and then curls on the bottom. Like, I don't know if I'm feeling that. It does look okay, but I can't say that I'm like, girl, this is fire, period. Like, no, it's definitely giving me like retro vibes, which isn't ugly, but isn't necessarily what I was going for. Maybe I'll go in with like a flat iron and try to flatten that out so it's not so just like straight curly. Like, I don't like that. But other than that, this is the unit. Also, I wanted to mention that, to be honest with y'all, this hair is not very soft. It's actually pretty rough. So just keep that in mind if you are trying to get this unit. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I'm almost to 50K. I can't believe it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.